So this is an HD TV antenna that I have got here plugged into my TV here, which allows me to pick up a lot of local channels in HD, even 4K. So as you can see, I'm able to pick up football here that is playing on my local station. So this is the antenna here. Super easy to set up. Basically, you just plug it in. I'll show you that here in the back. So it has a USB. So my TV here, so it has this little box here, and then just plug in the USB cable there, and then the Coax cable is coming out of that. So basically that's all there is to it. Just plug in those two cables, and then you run a scan on your TV to pick up all the different channels that are available in your area, and then you'll be able to pick up channels like this. So I'm able to watch football, basketball, etc., news from a lot of local channels. So yeah, basically all you need to do is plug those in, run your scan, and then you'll have a lot of free channels without having to pay. So yeah, this saves you a lot of money, so without having to pay for cable. So make sure you get one of these to save yourself a lot of money.